I understand you're going through a difficult time. Instead of focusing on specific signs that might not apply to your situation, let's explore some general changes in behavior that could indicate a problem in your relationship. Remember, these don't definitively mean she's cheating, but they are worth talking about. In this video, I will explain to you 10 signs a woman is cheating on you. Try to watch this video to the end because I have a bonus tips for you towards the end of this video. Here are 10 signs a woman is cheating on you. Number 1. Distance and secrecy. Is your partner becoming increasingly withdrawn or secretive? Does she seem emotionally distant, even if she's physically present? A noticeable shift towards privacy regarding her phone, computer, or social media activity could be a red flag. Before we go further, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for notifications. It doesn't cost any money. Please do this to support us. Thanks. As you do, let's continue. Number 2. Changes in communication. Open communication is vital in any relationship. If conversations have become strained, short, or non-existent, it's a cause for concern. Does she avoid eye contact or seem uncomfortable discussing certain topics? Number 3. Shifts in appearance and routine. Has your partner taken a sudden interest in their appearance? Maybe a new wardrobe or increased focus on workouts without explanation. Similarly, unexplained changes in work hours, sudden weekend trips, or activities that exclude you could be signs of something amiss. Number 4. Lies and inconsistency. Are you catching her in small lies or inconsistencies in her stories? A partner who cheats often has to create narratives to cover their tracks. Trust your gut feeling if things don't seem to add up. Number 5. Emotional disconnect in the bedroom. A significant change in your intimate life can be a sign of emotional or physical infidelity. This could be a decrease in intimacy, a sudden lack of interest, or changes in her preferred activities. Number 6. Accusations and defensiveness. Does your partner become defensive or even accuse you of cheating if you bring up concerns? This could be a tactic to deflect suspicion or avoid responsibility for their actions. Number 7. Comparison and criticism. Is your partner constantly comparing you to someone else or criticizing you more frequently? This could be a way to justify their own actions or push you away emotionally. Number 8. Phone activity and secretive texts. Is your partner constantly glued to their phone, hiding the screen, or taking calls in private? A sudden surge in late-night texting or mysterious calls could be a reason to be concerned. Number 9. Loss of interest in shared activities. Does your partner seem disinterested in activities you used to enjoy together? This could be a sign that their attention is focused elsewhere. Number 10. Unexplained expenses. Keep an eye out for unexplained charges on bills or financial secrecy. Cheating can sometimes involve hidden costs. Now, let's move to the bonus tips. If you're experiencing some of these changes, it's important to have an open and honest conversation with your partner. Focus on how you're feeling and try to understand what's causing the distance. If you discover cheating, it's okay to feel hurt because betrayal is painful. Allow yourself to feel the emotions and seek support from friends, family, or a therapist. You can also make difficult decisions. Do you want to rebuild trust, or is it time to end the relationship? But remember, don't jump to conclusions. There could be innocent explanations for these behaviors. Seek professional help if communication is difficult or the situation is volatile. Focus on what's best for you, whether that's working on the relationship or moving forward separately. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like this video. Also subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. See you in our next video.